Hi everyone. A few days ago, I gave some information about our delivery of 1,000 ton UCO, and today we just finished the delivery, and also we get the final number from tank terminal. Our company, Huaibei Xinxing Huangyuan New Energy and Technology Company, we are one of the biggest UCO supplier from China. We are certified by ISCC, CP, and TR. CP means collecting point, TR trader, that means feedstock trader. That overall feed in the biofuel industry from feedstock to final product. So we are collecting point and trader. Few days ago, I gave some information of the first half of the delivery, that's 500 ton. The delivery time is from December 15th to 17th, and because of snow, it took us a little bit longer than usual. And for the second, it only take us 2 days to deliver. So for the whole order of 1,000 ton, it took us around 5 days. The final number you can see from the factory, our bridge scale give number is 1046. From tank terminal is 1047, and the difference is only less than half ton. It's a little bit more than the PO from our client. It's just under 5%. They're okay with that. So everyone, thanks for watching. If you have any question about UCO supplier or if you have UCO inquiry, please let us know. See what we can help. And information is in this slide, and you can add my number, that the number in the WeChat or in the WhatsApp, so we can discuss more detail. Thanks for watching. Bye.